Hello and welcome. A healthy and beautiful plant in any corner of our home brings beauty and aesthetic to the place we live in. But apart from that, it also brings joy and a sense of peace, tranquility in our minds. I believe every plant lover can resonate with my feelings, as I do when I see a healthy and beautiful plant. It kind of brings a very calm feeling and a very joyous feeling to my mind. Wandering Jew is one such plant. It is so beautiful with its variegations of purple, silver, and green. And it is also a very low care plant. You don't actually need to pay a lot of attention to this plant, but it will keep growing and bringing aesthetic and beauty to the place where it's placed. As you can see, my wandering Jew has grown beautifully and it's very bushy and healthy at this moment. This plant was just a very tiny little thing in a pot when I had bought it a year ago. As you can see, it has grown beautifully. What I have done is I have given it a place on my windowsill where it gets bright sunlight but not direct. And the soil is a regular potting mix soil, but I have given it place to grow. It's kind of a rectangular pot in which the plant was placed and it grew beautifully. It also loves moist soil, but it does not require stagnant water, so your potting mix should be very well drained potting mix. The water should drain out quickly from it. Whenever you are trying to water your wandering Jew, please try to take care that you don't water on top of the crowns. You should try watering the soil directly, and it just needs a moist soil, not a soggy one. So you can also try misting your plants in between when in winters you still feel the soil moist but not tending to dry. So whenever you're trying to water your wandering Jew, try to do the finger test. Put your finger in the soil and see if you can feel dry soil, and then you can start watering the plant. And as you can see, it is such a beautiful plant. I'm just in love with this. Actually, I'm in love with nature. As you can see, like such a beautiful contrast in the same plant. You don't even need a flower on this plant to beautify it. It in itself is so beautiful. The propagation of the plant is also pretty easy. I have taken a few branches from my plant. I have just cut it with the help of a scissor. So I'll show you two methods. First one, I will take a branch and I am peeling off the leaves from the lower part of the branch, and I'll be putting it in a regular potting mix soil. I need to cut the branch a little because it's looping towards one end, so I'll just cut the branch a little towards a node. Try to point the node in the soil. Try that when you're planting the branch or the stem, one of the leaf nodes is there in the soil so that the roots can grow. Now just water the soil properly, make it moist, and keep it on a brightly lit window. You should avoid direct sunlight, and in no time you will see that it has started growing. Another method is the water method. I've taken a pot with water and I'll be taking another branch of the wandering Jew and I'm just peeling off, and I'll be putting it in water again. This again I'm going to put on a sunny windowsill, not direct light but bright light, and it will also start to propagate and develop roots. So it is as simple as that to maintain and care and propagate for your wandering Jew. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Do consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.